what's up YouTube fam? So I got my Natalie Attired box today. So I wanted to share this with you guys. This is my first box from them. So I'm gonna open it up and let's see what we think. It always makes me happy when I come home and see one of these little packages waiting for me. After a long day at work. I deserve something nice, don't I? Ooh. So they're already starting off great. So they sent a box that says, "Celebrating you, enjoy your gift, the Natalie Attired team." So let's see what's in the box. Looks like you would just like lay it here, or either you could tie it like as a headband. Maybe cute with a white shirt, or either even a brown, if you guys can see that, and some jeans. That's what I'm thinking. Thank you, Natalie Attired. All is like for gifts. Okay. So here's the bundle. See some nice colors and patterns in there, so let's dig in, shall we? All right, so that's pricing information. So total cost for my 5 pieces came to $242. Each thing averaged at a price of around $39, with the exception of one pair of pants, which was $89. So if I decide to keep everything, my balance will be $155.40, which for 5 pieces, I don't think that's bad. That's like an average of about $30-something per piece, so that's not too bad. But here's the prepaid return bag and label. We'll see if maybe I can keep everything. I'm going to give everything a try on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so just finished trying everything on, as you can see. So my first impression with Natalie Attired out of the box is I like them. All of the material was very soft and comfortable. Definitely can see myself wearing their pieces, because as you can see I still have it on. But I had one negative thing. Let me grab something real quick. So for this particular shirt, I like the style of it with the kind of like tie together at the bottom, almost creating like kind of sort of a crop top effect, but not really. I mean, it's not a crop top, but it kind of cuts at the waist, I should say, kind of effect. But this shirt, I don't know if you guys can see that, has a stain on it right there. So definitely can't keep this piece because of that. But this particular shirt has thread, you know, coming up on some of the pieces, and even in the front, like you see the thread around the buttons here and here. Makes me think that this may be a cheaply made shirt. Not sure, 100% sure, but the brand is Always and Forever. So even though I like the style of the shirt, even if it didn't have the stain on it, I wouldn't want to keep it for that purpose, just because I don't want to purchase material that may tear up easily. I like to invest in some pieces that can be long-term for me. But other than that, I like the jeans, but they're a little too tight for my taste. They're called hugger jeans, and they definitely hug you, but they're comfortable. You know, the material is comfortable. It was comfortable being in them, but they just hug a little too much for my taste. But I definitely like the little leopard print tank top. I thought it was really cute with the cardigan over it, or of course you can wear it without. I probably would choose to wear it with it, because although I do like pattern some, I don't like too much, you know, too much for my personality. I'm really low key, but it would be super cute with some jeans, or you could wear it with some black slacks to work, or some white slacks if you wanted to, and dress it up with a nice heel, or you could, you know, totally wear some black flats, which is probably what I would do. So I could see myself wearing this to work. I also like the fuchsia and white stripe top, so I probably will keep those three pieces. I won't be keeping the jeans, and I won't keep the blue and white shirt for the reasons that I explained earlier. So all in all, because I am, oh sorry, I lost my paper, one sec. There we go. So so if you keep 3 to 4 items, you save 20%. So for me, there you go. So for me, I'm looking at the open cardigan was $39. The leopard print top is $39, and the striped top was $36. So you're talking 40, 80, so like almost 120, and I'm just rounding up. And then 20% off of that, so probably around 100 for the 3 pieces. So not so bad. It'd be about $30 something per piece. So I don't know, I need to think about it a little bit. So the real question will be, do I love, you know, the striped top that much? Do I think I could get it somewhere else for cheaper? I might, if nothing else, just stick with these 2 combinations. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know, maybe I'll just end up keeping the tank top. But all in all, impressed with Natalie Attired. I'm going to give them some of my feedback, and I look forward to the next shipment that I receive from them. But on a positive note, they had a really quick turnaround. Like, I think I ordered this maybe Friday or Saturday, and it's Monday, and my package is already here. So it did not take them long to get the stuff to me at all, and I really enjoyed that. I really like that, excuse me. So yeah, I am going to include a referral link down below. Feel free to use it. I think I'm a fan. Yeah, so there's a $20 styling fee, and anything I choose to keep, of course, the $20 will, you know, be credited towards whatever item I decide to keep. So yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you thought something looked good on me, or looked whack, or it was trash, you know, just let me know. I always like to get feedback, but I don't mind honesty. I don't like rude people, but I like honesty. So that's it.